Hi, I'm Lowell Shepherd on board sailing vessel Wakine, a Gypsy 402, and this is Pacific Solo. I've set myself the ambitious goal of sailing across the North Pacific before I'm 70. I want to go to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, to a place I've called Nemo North, which is just a notional point of coordinates for me to contemplate life in the universe. Kind of a quirky goal, I know. And then I want to get on to Vancouver, and I had planned to go this year to see my mum before she forgets who I am. But alas, that was too ambitious. So now I'm cruising Japan, learning how to sail, learning more about my boat, Wakine. So please join me as a rookie sailor trying to realize a dream.
I'm sorry, but I can't give you enough. Call me up, brother, when the good times come. Call me brother when the good times come. Call me brother when the good times come. Well, I'm hurting now, but I won't be hurting long.
I'm on my own again. I'll wait till May 11th to see what they say about Osaka and the state of emergency. And if it's going to be a continued state of emergency there, then I will go over to Shikoku instead and begin to make my way to other places, other ports. So we're having a safety demonstration from the Coast Guard. And he's just taking me through some things to check weather, to watch, and they're doing it for their own publicity too, taking their own pictures. So, arigatou gozaimashita. Okay. This morning, line on it.
You seem to know something I don't. What's going on? Can you tell me what it is, please? I'm not that slow like you think. Strange vibrations in the room and I can feel it. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way.
You're like a mosquito. Or a pimple.
You rolling punches, I'm catching scars. I'll brush you up
Let's go to the beach.
just upon my
Okay.
shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you over. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder.
Well, my Canadian buddy Shoji has come and gone. He's got the head mounted. He did a test on all the various elements except the flux gate compass, which I will do myself. It seems like all is in order. So tomorrow I'm going to leave once my JCI permit arrives.